Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this. This is a bib and medal holder. So if you're into like running like I am, I just did a triathlon a couple of weeks ago. So I would just hang that on here, so you can hang this on the wall with all your different awards and whatnot. So I have that, and then I don't know what this was. This was just some other race, and so you can hang your awards on there, and then you can put your bibs into these little pouches here, so you can save them as well. So that's, so I have that one there, and then I can tighten them up and flip them up or whatever, so I can have one there, and then so I can just flip through and see all my different bibs and all my different things here. I don't even know what these different races are, but you get the idea. So you can kind of save it all, hang it all on the wall, and have all your stuff displayed. How cool is that? So I could have all my different things displayed. So kind of cool little thing there if you like to save the bibs. I don't usually save them, but hey, might as well. It's a cool little display unit. So thumbs up. I like this. Very cool.